guys, welcome again. Your girl Bella Sweet, and guys, I'm in the kitchen again, guys. I say me have a next good one. Guess what, guys? Me I go do ghetto pasta, Jamaican pasta, ghetto style. Trust me, you have to check this one out. Me say a bad. And your girl Bella Sweet, and you know Bella Sweet no tell no lie. When me say things good, we talk the good things them, and we bring the good things them, you know. And your girl Bella Sweet, and like me I say, guys, at the Jamaican pasta ghetto style. Trust me, you have to check this one out. This one you no want no. You have to just have Bella Sweet Jamaican style ghetto pasta. Here we have the things them, guys, for the ghetto pasta. So we have with Grace mackerel, guys. So one in a tomato sauce, and it's a classic one, guys. A thing hot and spicy. Yes, guys. We have some elbow over here, so guys. I'm gonna go in a pot, guys. Go boil up. It's the good things them there, guys. Things start to bubble, things are bubble. Pot a bubble over here, so pot a bubble, guys. Guys, now get me things them wash up and ready. Guys, we are gonna dice now, guys. And we say ghetto pasta. So all of these ingredients we see here, so guys. And then I'm gonna fry up the mackerel, guys. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm just gonna use some olive oil and fry the thing up, guys. Yeah, man. Fry it up. Guys, I love cut my seasoning on it too. Like the cutting board thing, but it's safer, guys. So I have some onion, and now I have my bell pepper over here, so over here, so that's the thing. Thing are nice, guys. Now wait for you to see me classic hot and spicy mackerel with the pasta ghetto style, you know, down in the ghetto. It's a classic one from the ghetto. So I season them look up already. Then I made my tomato, guys. I kind of stroll this on. I like stroll it. Dicing and strolling. Let's start bubble up. A bit of lick off my pot cover, guys. Yeah, man. Classic, you know. Steam. I take off my pot cover, guys. Steam bad. Yeah. So the thing them are going bad over this, you see, guys. Not too much pepper, just a little. Then I'm a scallion. Dice up my scallion nice and proper. So I think dice and look good. Seasoning turn up. Yeah, man. Things then ready up now. Little pasta about ready. Just some black pepper, some olive oil, and then we're good to go. Look at it, guys. See it? Look at my season, guys. Set season look good, Mr. Season look good. So my classic on the corner and the black pepper. Things look good, guys. Trust me, not lie. This guys, I'm gonna stir up my pasta, my thing over here, so things look ready, you know, guys. Heat in the kitchen, but I tell us the heat in the kitchen. Alright. So guys, we're ready. So I'm gonna slip over. Slip this one. Thing ready, guys. Thing ready. Woo. Come on. Thing ready. So eat one that the one there, guys. Steam it down. Alright, so I'm going to drain the pasta, guys. So remember to drain whatever you want to call it. Macaroni, we say macaroni, we say all type of thing. So we're going to drain off this, guys. I'm going to cover that. I'm going to put some oil on the thing. One simmer over this so that I go and simmer down, guys. My lighting is a little bit poor, guys. I must apologize for that, but still I say what I want in a Bella kitchen, you know, the ghetto style pasta prepare. So I add like a black pepper in the oil. In the oil, I want the black pepper and I'm going to sprinkle it over. Then I'm going to add all of my onion and then fry up. Yeah, fry the thing up. Cut some up.
Oh, you want to chicken on anyway?
Fry up. Simmer down. Simmer. Good. Guys. And a little bit more black pepper to mix in. So it'll take about 7 to 8 minutes to get this simmer down, guys. Now add my mackerel inside, guys. I'm gonna just do it, gonna mash it a little. I'm going to add the pasta, guys. Woo! Nice already. The pasta bad. And I have a little piece of hot pepper and plus me add some black pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, with the pasta in the thing too, guys. Thing ready, guys. See that? Quick and easy. This is like less than 20 minutes, guys. You see? I'm going to prepare it right in front of you guys so you all see what was going on. There you have it, guys. Little pasta. Bella Street Kitchen. I'm going to put one just a little more. Simmer just for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yes, guys, Bella Sweet ghetto pasta ready. But guys, the thing look like uptown. I'm not telling no lie. And it tastes good too. You see the fry upon the season, so the season well going. And guys, let me apologize. Some nights are going outside because it's close to the road, you know. But the thing tastes good. I say thing turn up, thing turn up. I may have it with a glass of Crystal Punch. Yes, guys, and it was under 15 minutes. So thank you guys for watching another amazing one from your girl Bella Sweet. And remember to check it out and don't leave it out. Like, subscribe and share. Your girl Bella Sweet, I'm out. Mwah.